Maharaja and Maharani of Anandapur. His heart's so one with nature. So much so that the Maharani turns her palace grounds into a magnificent aviary so she could live among the birds. I was inspired by her story every time I visited India. Then, one day, I decided to make another tour of my home. Now I follow in her footsteps as a caretaker of these wonderful winged creatures from places around the world. Now, nature explorers like you come to this place too. And you know, my favourite part of each day is for the birds who live here to join me in a dance to welcome you.
My name is Russel, and I am a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54's Sweat Lodge 12.
Oh gosh, Russel. Oh, and who is your furry friend?
He's my dog. We found him in South America, and he's trained. Shake, boy. Speak, boy.
Hi there.
Wait, did he just say...
Hi there. My name is Dog.
Oh my, you can talk? Oh, I've never met a talking dog before.
Oh yes, I can talk. I have just met you, and I love you.
I love you too, Dog. I'm Russel, a senior wilderness explorer from the Licotidia tribe of Mormont. Mor means peacock in the Hindi language.
Wait a minute. It's you. We found you.
You found me? Was I lost?
If you are lost, I am a great tracker. I can find you. Oh yes, I can, because squirrel!
We know you. We read about you in our Wilderness Explorers newsletter.
Oh yeah, the newsletter about birds from around the world, right?
Yeah, now we're ready to have a new bird adventure.
Well, you're in the right place. Oh, I say, that's a nifty camera, Russel.
I use it to take pictures for my adventure book.
I have a camera just like it. You know, they don't make those anymore.
Really? It's my Wilderness Explorer camera. Hey, are they Wilderness Explorers too?
I bet they are explorers and adventurers. Who's been out earning lots of Wilderness Explorer badges today? Let me see those hands. Oh, shabash, that's wonderful.
Then they should know our pledge. Oh, please, can I read it now?
Sure. Let me take your camera and we can say it together.
My Wilderness Explorers camera? I don't know.
Wilderness Explorers honor. I'll put it somewhere safe and sound.
Really safe?
Yes, really safe and sound. All right, everyone, get ready to repeat after Russell.
An explorer is a friend to all.
An explorer is a friend to all.
Be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
Be it plant or fish or tiny mole. Yeah.
The wilderness must be explored. Caw, caw.
The wilderness must be explored.
Caw, caw.
Roar! Caw, caw, roar!
Wonderful job. Give yourselves a hand. That works too. This has turned out to be quite a gathering of explorers today. I think we have almost everybody here, except for our other bird expert, who dedicates his time to the study and care of the birds here. Please welcome my good friend, Adam!
Hello, everyone. Welcome. And namaste. In my time here, I've learned to interpret the bird's natural behaviors in order to better understand them. And you guys can too. Has anyone here ever had a great bird adventure before?
We did. With our bird friend
is Kevin.
Oh, I do miss the bird and Kevin. Yes, I do.
You can talk.
Talking dog with a bird friend. That's amazing.
Oh, right. Kevin, does he talk like people too?
Oh, no. The bird named Kevin talks like a bird.
Oh, and by the way, Kevin is a girl.
Oh,
She is baby birdies. Oh, yes, she does.
So what does Kevin look like?
I'll show you. Wilderness explorers always prepared. I have a picture.
Oh my, oh, really big picture.
You can keep it.
Oh, thank you, Russell.
so that's a Kevin bird.
Here, let's take it for everyone to see.
Yeah, Kevin has long legs,
She can run very fast.
very fast. And she's colorful.
Loud and
I
big.
can see that. It sounds like you had an amazing adventure.
We did. Kevin is the reason we love birds so much.
That's great. Well, Kevin was just the beginning.
So, explorers, do you want to meet some more of the birds who call this place home?
I do. I can't wait to have another bird adventure.
Me, I'm Russell. Oh, guys, look, it's Miles. Hi, buddy.
Look at that, Doug.
That is an interesting bird.
He sure is. Just like Marissa said, that is Miles. And Miles is a trumpeter hornbill. These birds are so cool. They're found out in Africa, and they're designed for extreme flying. They can maneuver and dart throughout the trees in order to catch their favorite treats
Flying insects.
without losing any speed.
I know. Would all of you like to see just how Miles flies in the wild? Yes? Ah, wonderful. Okay. Well, we're going to create a forest in the wild right now. So, just seated on the end of the row right here, stand on up, step into the aisle, and raise your arms into a canopy of trees. Oh, look at this, Anna, we've got a forest developing. Oh, it does, looking at the forest too. And hold it.
All right, you guys are doing a great job. Just keep still and respect our feathered friend Miles. And let's see if he wants to fly right through your arms. What do you think, Miles? I've got some treats if you want to come over and hang out. There. Yeah, over there. What do you think? Our forest is looking good. Our friend Corey, he's all the way in the back too. He's got plenty of treats, buddy. What do you think? Thanks for coming over. Okay, now just keep still. Keep an eye on Miles. He'll be really fast. Here we go.
Shabash! Did you see that one? That's great! Oh, thank you all so much. Anna, what do you think?
Oh yeah.
Yes, let's do a forest on this side as well. So just like over there, stand on up and raise your arms into a canopy of trees. Beautiful. We have another forest. And hold it.
All right, you guys are doing an awesome job as well. Just keep still and watch closely, and we'll see if Miles will fly right through our arms.
What a nice close-up.
Right? And it's pretty neat the way that they can maneuver and dart around, just like I said earlier, because it's really important for where they live out in the forest of Africa. But what do you say, Miles? I got some more treats if you'd like. And when he does fly, check out the way he uses that tail, kind of like a little rudder, which allows him to steer around through very sharp turns. Our forest is ready, Miles. Here we go.
Shabash! Let's give all of our wonderful volunteers a hand. You all made great trees.
And Miles, you were great too, buddy. You know, I don't have any flying insects, but I've got a great.
Oh,
Nice
catch! That's amazing.
So cool, right?
Yeah.
And if you're sitting in the back row, do not look up with your mouth open. But Miles, we have plenty more birds we'd love to share with everybody out here today. So if you'd like, I've got another treat for you before you hit the road. What do you say, pal? Wow, look at that bird. Look, what a great flyer. You were so awesome, buddy. The way home is through the door right over there. What do you say? Just like we practiced.
Bye. And that was mine. It's our tropical hornbill. Now, on to our next bird.
Is it a snipe? I'm still looking for one of those. Here, snipe. Here, snipe.
Guys, get ready to take a gander. Right over. You see him? Here.
Find the birdie. Find the birdie. Point.
Wow, he has a big beak, just like Kevin.
Yes, he does. This guy is a ground hornbill from Africa.
And ground hornbills are incredible birds. You know, they get their name because they spend a lot of time on the ground. But the cool thing is they use the huge beak they have with the force of a sledgehammer. It's awesome.
Hey, let me get my camera.
Your camera. Oh, no, that's his camera.
What?
That's his camera. Yes, that's his camera. Yes.
Well, how about a trip over here away from the camera?
Oh, he is an angry birdie.
No, he's not angry, no.
Oh, Russel, I'm so sorry about your camera. Maybe we can fix it.
That's all right. My Wilderness Explorer camera. Safe and sound?
Are you all right, small mailman?
At least I don't have to worry about breaking it anymore.
Oh, I'll find a new camera. It's my gift to you.
Really?
Wilderness Explorer's honor. Oh, about that bird. Smashing food is one of the behaviors that birds learn to survive in the wild.
Right, and you know, not all birds are so wild, Russell. You know, some actually live really close with people. Like around here, there are plenty of ducks. And other people like,
Oh,
like
guinea fowl, yes.
but there are other birds like ibis and vultures and crows and chickens too.
Chickens.
Oh, chicken birdies. Oh, come here, you chicken birdies. Come here.
I'll be right
Chicken
back.
birdies.
Fat boy.
I think they're all in for more than they can handle. Chickens are fast, and I hear they're pretty smart too.
That's right.
You know, I guess there are birds with all kinds of special talents. And others with charm and personalities that make them so lovable.
Right, just like parrots.
When they grow on you,
But they can be some of the most challenging pets you could have in the home.
they can't bite.
And they can scream.
And they can poop everywhere.
Seriously though, not the easiest roommates.
Very true. But some of these birds are so smart, they can mimic what they hear from the world around them. Just like Keto! We have to train this bird.
We sure do. Thanks, Lauren. Hey, now, Keto here is a really cool type of parrot, but I don't want to spoil too much for you. Before we get started, though, all of our brand new friends are out here, Keto. So I think it's right that we give them a great big greeting.
I love this funny parrot. Keto makes me laugh every time.
She's so awesome. You know, like I said, I didn't want to spoil too much. I would tell you what kind of parrot she is, but she can do it instead. This is Keto, and she's a double yellow-headed Amazon parrot. And they're usually found in the forest of Central America, but Keto here has grown up with people her entire life. So she's learned to mimic all sorts of things that she's heard as she's grown up, right?
Yes.
Like her animal sounds.
Yes.
What's your favorite?
I like the scary one.
Yeah. Scary. Tiger. One more.
Oh my goodness. I love that tiger. But does Keto have anything to say about it?
Oh, for sure. If that was too much, we could do the smaller tiger. How about your kitty cat? No.
Oh, it's adorable.
Have you been to Australia?
Yes, I had a cousin there.
Oh, nice. You might know this next one. How about your kookaburra?
Spot on. Yeah.
Yeah, if you've not been, now you don't need to go. You know, the animal sounds are so awesome, but Keto does something that takes it to the next level. Let's see if she'll show up for all of you guys today. I think they're ready. Are you ready? Let's see. She's buffering.
Old MacDonald had a farm. Hello. Oh. Old MacDonald had a Old MacDonald had a farm.
Oh, great job, Keto.
You know, believe it or not, that song there took 3 years of training. And it never comes out the same way twice. Let me tell you. Keto, you were so awesome, but I think it's about time for you to say goodbye.
And that's Keto. Everyone say goodbye to Keto. Look at these dots for the road. Oh, Keto is 1 in a million, Adam.
Sure is. You know, most parrots never learn how to talk, let alone sing, and they can live to be pretty old too, right?
Yeah, 50, 60 years, huh?
You see that?
I did, yeah, the rooster. You guys saw that too, right? The rooster? Okay. Was it? Yeah.
Be my friend. Oh, please, please be my friend. Whew. I am back now from tracking chickens.
Oh, did you have fun chasing the chickens?
Oh, yes.
she could outrun them.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes, that bird Kevin is much, much faster.
And she was bigger, like a dinosaur. But we were never scared. Not once.
Oh, no.
Oh, no, we were not scared. Not at all.
Because we're brave explorers. Nothing scares us. Right, boy?
Great. Then you're going to love our next bird.
Ah! A dinosaur!
Scary birdie, scary birdie.
Oh, she's not scary, darling.
Come back!
Oh, no, Russell. I'm so glad you're still here.
Oh, wait, no. Well, in the meantime, we'd love to share this beautiful bird with you guys then. The Andean condor.
Yes, we call her Sadie.
That's a big bird.
She absolutely is. The Andean condors are the largest member of the vulture family. The wingspan on Sadie is 10 feet wide. Let's see the show.
Don't worry, everyone.
That's right, Russell. No need to worry. Fact is, vultures like Sadie come in all sizes.
That is so true. But what makes these birds so special in the circle of life is what they love to eat, right?
They love to eat carrion.
Which is?
Dead stuff.
Exactly. The bodies of the animals that have died out in the wild, which is kind of gross. But it's so important. It stops the spread of disease and cleans up what gets left behind out in the wild. So we like to call them nature's recyclers. And my favorite thing about these birds is how cute they look running on the ground. Tuck the wings in.
Carry on.
That was Sadie.
I hope that comes back soon.
Not so scary.
Not so scary at all, Russell. Oh, hi, Doug. Oh, I'm so glad you're back.
I do not like the scary birdie.
There's nothing to be afraid of, Doug. Remember, a wilderness explorer is a friend to all.
That's right. And animals are friends to us. If you appreciate them, they'll show you just how wonderful they are.
How about it, boy?
I am a friend to all the animals. Yes, I am. Especially the birdies. Show me the birdies.
Well, here comes another one of our favorites. The African crowned crane. Meet Fraser. Fraser Crane.
He's one of many birds here that connect us to a world of stories and adventures.
Hey, Doug. Say hi.
Hi there. I like the birdies.
They like you too, Doug. The crowned crane is the national bird of Uganda, a country in Africa where they're practically royalty with their tall gold crowns. Can't you imagine them flying over the plains of Africa?
Fly, birdie. Fly.
I love your enthusiasm, Doug. And when he's all done with his treats up there, do you guys want me to call him down for a closer look? Nice. Okay. All right, but it's up to him. I'll ask him. And when he does, check out the wingspan of this guy. It's pretty big, right?
That's about 6 feet across. Can you believe it?
Pretty big.
Yeah.
All right, let's ask him. What do you think about it? Hey, I have an idea. Do either of you want to feed Fraser?
I do.
Cool. Russell, come on over, buddy. I've got some of his absolute favorite treats for you. What do you say, pal?
He really goes gaga for bird seed.
He does.
When my hair sticks up like that, my mom makes me brush it.
Very funny, Russell. But believe it or not, there's no hair on this guy at all. That crest up there on top of his head, and even his eyelashes are all modified feathers. And the ones on his head, they're shaped like a corkscrew. So they stand up like that all the time, which looks kind of goofy to us. But it's pretty awesome looking, in my opinion. He doesn't even use product. And that was Fraser Crane.
Oh, that was very friendly birdie.
He sure is, Doug. You know, up next is my favorite bird. Oh, probably my favorite animal.
I wonder who that might be.
You know,
Oh, look at him.
a symbol of pride for the United States of America, the bald eagle. Everyone, meet Hope.
A bald birdie?
Well, the bald eagles aren't actually bald.
I think bald eagles are absolutely majestic. Yes, they are.
Legit. And inspiring too, you know. Not long ago, the bald eagle was placed on the endangered species list. But then, through conservation efforts, all of us play a huge part in helping their population to recover. And now, I'm happy to say that the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species.
You can really make a difference.
You're right, Russell. If we make a conscious effort to protect the planet and all the animals we get to share it with, we can make a big difference.
Thank you, Hope. Now, I'd like to introduce my favorite feathered friend, the peacock. In ancient mythology from India, a story is told that once the tail feathers of more peach were dull. But in gratitude for the more protection of the people, the peacock was given his beautiful iridescent feathers. So now, as the national bird of India, the peacock is a symbol of pride, protection, benevolence, joy, and humility. Welcome, my friend. We're so glad to see you. I call this beautiful creature a bill, which is a very noble name. You know, not only is peacock more in Hindi, but more is also the name of my wilderness explorer's lodge.
What a beautiful birdie! A very, very beautiful birdie.
Wow, this has been a great bird adventure.
You're right, Russell. And did you know that there are literally thousands and thousands of bird species that live all over the world? And you don't have to go that far to find them either. You know, many can be found right in your backyard or at your local parks back at home.
Yes, Russell. So, you know, whether it's a pivot bird or an eagle, an owl or a peacock, you'll discover birds and other animals with incredible stories. And discovering that story is just the beginning of your adventure. Russell, smile. For you. Now, go explore.
Wow, a new camera. Thanks.
Oh, Russell, right behind you, a Toko toucan.
That's a cool bird.
And speaking of cool birds, there's a spectacled owl.
Handsome, got a new friend, Russell.
They like me. They really like me.
I too can run around like the birdies.
Oh, now look who's flying like birds.
Hey, I thought your is out there.
Oh, so many birdies. I love them all.
Thanks for showing us so many birds.
Our pleasure.
We're so glad you could all visit our feathered friends here today.
Like Doug and Russell, we can have our own adventure any day. Nature and all of its wonderful creatures all around. All we have to do is